Hi guys, welcome to QSpiders Marathahalli. Myself Bharat, branch head of QSpiders Marathahalli branch. So we have a placed candidate with us. Let's have a conversation with her. Hi.
Hi,
So
sir.
please introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. My name is Prabha Devi, and I joined QSpiders Marathahalli in January 25. And I've done my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, and then I have 1.5 years of experience in manual testing. Then I went to give interviews outside, but they were asking me for automation skills. Then I thought of joining to QSpiders because it has very good name all over. And we have very best trainers here. They taught me Java, Selenium, and then recently I gave an interview and got placed there.
Good. Can you just tell me about how was the interview process?
Yes, it was good, and I went in the morning. Actually, I was a little late for the interview, but still they called for the students like who are ready to do the interview. And most of the people were hesitating that let the first round of guys go inside and come back. But I just went with all that dedication and determination that I should go and just grab the opportunity at the first place because of all the training and teaching that the trainers have given here. Because they not only teach studies but subjects, but also they tell us that whenever you get an opportunity, go on time, be punctual, just give your best and don't think of anything else. So all those motivated me, and I went at the first place to give the interview. They asked me, first of all, they asked me to introduce myself, and then they gave me a gaming application. They told me that this is a feature and this is how it should work, and they gave me insights on that. Just try to identify defects, whatever you find in that. And then I just went through the application, I did hurry and all those things. I just took my time and wrote some defects on that. Then they were impressed by that and they asked me to write test cases on another gaming application. I wrote some 5 test cases, and then they asked me basic differences, what are smoke sanity, regression rate testing, all these things, and they asked me why we need to hire you. You're not a gamer, but why we need to hire you and all this. But I was able to answer all these questions, and I assured them that I would work hard and contribute to company's growth and both into development and testing. But I'm hired as a tester there. Yes, I'll be mostly doing manual testing there.
Okay, nice. What's the package?
It's 3 LPA, sir.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.